Mountains can be classified as young or old. The major difference between young and old mountains is the level of erosion within an entire mountain range. For instance, the Rocky Mountains and the Himalayan mountains are young because they are still steep with very few signs of erosion. These mountains are still uplifted due to tectonic forces. So when we look at these two mountains, the Himalayan and the Rocky, you can see that these mountains are very steep and they have few signs of erosion, and the mountain keep on uplifting because of the tectonic activity that are still working on them. Now, when we compare these mountains to these mountains, that is the Appalachian and the Ozark Mountain, all in the United States, you can see the difference. The Appalachian Mountain and the Ozark Mountain have flatter tops and have been eroded longer. So they are classified as older mountains. Now you can see the steepness of the mountains are almost non-existent. They have flat tops. You can look at the Ozark Mountain here. So that means the peak has been denuded, or erosion has worked on the peak, broken down the peak, and now there is nothing like a peak. So the general nature of the mountain will tell you whether the mountain is old or young. Normally, young mountains are said to be in the region of about 10 million to 50 million years old, and the older mountains are more of 100 million and above. So these are old mountains and young mountains. So copy this into your notebook and let's continue.